Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we're going to be playing Neal.fun. So, Neal.fun is a website made by Neal that has a lot of projects he makes. Like, see? Hi, I'm Neal. This is where I make stuff on the web. Obligatory links, newsletter, Twitter, buy me a coffee. Hmm. So, we're going to start with Space Elevator. Scroll up, okay. Oh, I can see the temperature. Welcome to the Space Elevator, the only elevator that goes to space. You are currently in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. The troposphere contains 99% of the water vapor in the atmosphere. I can see the meter. Nimbostratus clouds are responsible for cloudy days. As you climb, the temperature will continue to drop. It's a bit chilly. Pick a scarf to stay warm. I, Yay, now I have a scarf. Cumulonimbus are tall towering clouds that can produce lightning, tornadoes, and hail. This elevator ride needs some music. Hmm. Sorry, but it's a YouTube channel. Hmm. Cirrus clouds are wispy clouds made of ice crystals. Above this altitude is known as the death zone because there isn't enough oxygen for human life. Oh, I passed the Mount Everest peak. If you've ever wondered where your lost balloons went, at this height a typical party balloon will pop. Cirrocumulus are patchy clouds that can blanket the sky. Now will be a good time to pick out your spacesuit. Okay. Yay, the one in space. As air pressure drops, so does the temperature needed to boil water. At this altitude, water boils at just 54 degrees Celsius. That's almost a half a... Wait. Jet streams are bands of strong winds in the atmosphere. They can reach speeds of up to 450 kilometers per hour. Hmm. Wait, for this... Wait, if it's so cold, why would I just need a scarf? I would have needed a whole jacket. Don't worry, the elevator's pretty strong, I think. That isn't really reassuring. Yeah, I'm in the stratosphere. Welcome to the stratosphere. The stratosphere is home to the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays. Unlike the troposphere, the temperature in the stratosphere increases the higher you go. Wait, really? Mm, This is the Armstrong limit. Above this altitude, your saliva and tears will boil if you don't have a pressure suit. Oh, good thing I have a pressure suit. Listen. Nacreous clouds are rare clouds found in polar regions. They are made of small ice particles that scatter light in colorful ways. Wait, I go up so much each time I scroll. First aircraft to break the sound barrier. As the air gets thinner, there are fewer molecules to scatter light, so the sky starts getting darker. Highest aircraft ejection. The SR-71 is one of the fastest planes ever made. It can fly at over 3 times the speed of sound. Oh my. Are we in space yet? Winged aircraft altitude record, what? With nothing but an active pressure suit. Joseph Killinger jumps from an open gondola and set a record that will last more than 50 years. Oh, The ash cloud from the eruption that destroyed Pompeii reached this height. Wait, I thought Pompeii was the volcano. Wait, no, Pompeii was the city, Vesuvius was the volcano. Highest paper airplane flight. All launched from a balloon. I thought it was launched from the ground. Felix Baumgartner was the first person to break the sound barrier in freefall. He reached the top speed of 1,356 kilometers per hour. Congratulations! You have made it 0.01% of the way to the moon. The mushroom cloud from the Castle Bravo nuclear test reached this altitude. Look at this! Like, I haven't even reached halfway. Alien Eustace skydive. Current record for highest skydive. Space elevators are actually a possible idea being considered by scientists with that they can potentially offer a cheaper and safer way of getting to space. What about the saliva boiling thing? The hard part is making a strong enough cable and finding enough elevator music. Why do you want elevator music? Hmm. What is the Blue jets are a rare form of lightning that arc upward in a brilliant blue flash. Mesosphere. Congratulations! You have reached the mesosphere and are now halfway to space. The air in the mesosphere is very thin. It has less than 1% of the pressure as the air in sea level. High altitude balloon record? Well, I just noticed that the pressure was getting the temperature was getting hotter. It was getting hotter, but I just saw it drop. Huh. The world's fastest elevator travels at 74 kilometers per hour. A space elevator with the same speed will take 80 minutes to reach space. Actually, that's believable. I mean, it's space. Since weather balloons can't reach this height, rockets with sensors are used to learn more about the mesosphere. Wait, so okay, I thought space was farther than that. The mushroom cloud from the largest ever nuclear test, the Tsar bomb, reached this altitude. Okay, I don't want to be at that altitude. Sprites are a rare form of lightning, spelled over thunderstorms that only last a fraction of a second. While normal lightning is around 4 kilometers long, the sprites can reach lengths of up to 50 kilometers. Hmm, we're more than halfway. And why is it getting cold again? Hmm. Since the speed of sound depends on the temperature, sound travels 15% slower up here. Noctilucent clouds are the highest altitude clouds in the atmosphere. They are only visible at night and at higher latitudes. Most meteors burn up in the mesosphere. It's estimated that over 48 tons of meteors hit the atmosphere every day. This is the coldest part of Earth's atmosphere. Good. Thermosphere. Welcome to the thermosphere, the final layer on our journey to space. At 100 kilometers high, the Kármán line is usually accepted as the start of outer space. Temperatures in the thermosphere can reach 2,500 degrees Celsius, but molecules are so far apart that you won't even feel it. Wait, wait, wait. Here it says this is the coldest part of Earth's atmosphere. Now you're telling me that it can reach 2,500 degrees Celsius? As particles from the sun hit the atmosphere, they excite the atoms in the air. These excited atoms start to glow, creating brilliant displays of light called auroras. Oh, we're getting close to the end. You're about to reach a place fewer than 1,000 humans have ever been. Now leaving Earth. Karman line. Look, here's the meters. Karman line. Uh, Space elevator. Created by Neal Birds and Planes by Cindy Nee. Wow, that. Hmm. Maybe I could start a series with Neal.fun. Look at all these things. Look at all these projects. To I can't just do this in one video. So bye.